Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to a very rainy Pasadena, California. We are in the Ambassador Gardens and Mansions. It's a beautiful park along what used to be called Millionaire's Row. Just to check it out, check out the gardens, some of the homes, some of the waterfalls, some of the trees. Yeah, let's take a look. Again, thanks for being here. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, comment. We're here today because someone recommended it. Any recommendations you have, please put them in the comments and we'll check them out. Let's go look. This is what's known as the Merritt Mansion. Built for $1 million back in early 1900s. It's a beautiful home. Here we have the Ambassador Auditorium. There's also a high school over here. So up here, all these mansions back up to the park. What was called Millionaire's Row. Ambassador Auditorium and Reflecting Pool. We're going to check that pool out in a minute. The auditorium, the most elaborate structure. The building program began in 1964 by the Ambassador College. The Ambassador College is no more. There's now a high school on the campus. I don't know about you, but I love walking in the rain. These are apartments. Now, this is a park you may walk around. There's security right there. You may ask me to stop filming. We'll see. This is all private property. As long as you just, behave yourself, they're not going to give you any trouble. That is Marantha High School. Student Center and Administrative Offices. I'm guessing it's a private school. Looks pretty fancy. Plus it's weird to have a Sunday security guard. Oh no, it's Monday. It's a holiday, but it is Monday. But again, there's nobody here. But they have a security guard. So yeah, there are signs out everywhere saying private property, but they just want you to, behave yourself. We do have a lot of weddings here on the weekends, and for a lot of these weddings, you can actually rent out these mansions. Not all of them, for your wedding. Those giant trees. Yeah, normally there's a lot of people here walking dogs, hanging out, but because it's a rainy Monday holiday, it's President's Day as I film this, not a lot of people here. That tree is amazing. Wow. Nice big Tudor mansion there. More mansions back there, and it's all private property technically. So I'm gonna be respectful and stay away from the houses. Signs everywhere. So I'll just stay in the park area. I think that the rain is one of the most beautiful sounds. That tree is normally covered in pink flowers. It looks like magnolia leaves, but I don't think it's a magnolia. So again, this was started as a private Christian school by, I don't remember the name. Ooh, it's slippery down there. Careful. By one of the famous radio preachers of the early 1900s. Originally, it was all bought by a group from the Midwest to grow citrus. Then started dividing the tracts up, building these giant homes. Great Lawn and Master Association property rules. So I guess, people live there. They get to use this space. The Terrace Villa Mansion, 1924, Stillman B. Jameson, a retired judge from Chicago, built the last mansion overlooking the Terrace Drive. And then the Wayfair Mansion, built in 1902. By Otto Sprague, founder of the large grocery enterprise Sprague, Warner and Co. The Tudor Revival. It's now known as the Mayfair Mansion. Marantha High School, a college preparatory Christian school. Switch hands here. Sorry. Umbrella in the shot. It's like more apartments or townhomes up there. So mansion, townhome. Townhome. It's like a boarding a ship. This might be where the weddings take place. I know people who have gotten married here before, although I've never been to a wedding here. And they said that they, as part of their rental, they did get one of the mansions to use to get ready. Not the entire mansion, but part of the mansion to get ready before the wedding. Imagine they turn all these water features on for the wedding. Nice little fireplace, which has been used. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today a lot of water. Football field for the high school. Some geese out there. I guess you don't want to get married on game day. No phone zone. Wonder if these are for the school, not townhomes, as I previously thought. Maybe extra classrooms. The Grove, a private residence. Oh, a library? All right, well, that seems to be it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you next time when we see where the road takes us. And again, if you have any other suggestions, let us know. Put it in the comments, and we'll go check it out and take a walk. Again, if you're here and you subscribe, thank you very much. If you haven't, please subscribe, hit a like, give us a comment what you want to see next. And until next time, we'll see where the road takes us. Take care.